Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, you can scroll down, find the option called the system and tap on it. And here we have the option called system updates. Tap on it. And right here, your watch will check. Basically, when you open this menu, the watch will check if there's any updates available for your watch. And as you can see, my watch is up to date. But if you had the update available, you will see this update button right here. You can tap on it and update your watch. Be aware though, if before you update your watch, make sure the battery on your watch is charged. Because if the watch dies during the updating process, it could be problematic. It could damage your device. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.